Beware of the drop bears. One of Australia's national icons, the koala, is a beloved creature in our nation, a representation of the unique and diverse wildlife living in the land down under. They once lived widespread and in abundance throughout the bushy woodlands and forests covering the eastern side of the continent, and they could be extinct by as soon as 2050. When the Europeans arrived, koalas were seen as a valuable source of fur. Millions of the tree-dwelling marsupial were shot for their pelts. Public outcry in the 1930s led to state governments all over Australia declaring the koala a protected species. And in 2012, due to a further declining population, the koala was labelled as a vulnerable species. Despite this, in 2017, the Native Vegetation Act was repealed in New South Wales, leaving the state's koala population more vulnerable to land clearing and losing their habitat. In a report released by the World Wildlife Fund Australia and the National Conservation Council, satellite imagery shows that in the years since the restrictions were lifted, clearing has tripled in the northern New South Wales districts of Moree and Koala. Land clearing is the biggest threat to koalas, but it's not the only one. They are also under threat from cars, dogs, disease, bushfires, and a changing ecosystem that causes dieback. Now, there are calls being made by the National Parks Association of New South Wales to create the Great Koala National Park on New South Wales' mid-north coast. It would be the first large national park dedicated to protecting the iconic Australian animal.